Hey everyone, today I'm here to demo Declarative Rollback for ConfigMap and secret changes. So normally, by default, Kubernetes does not restart pods when only a config map or secret object is updated. As a result, declarative rollbacks that involve changes to these objects may not take effect as expected. In order to fix this, we generate a hash for config map and secret objects during deployment. We add the hash to the Kubernetes workload or manifest, and we apply the previous manifest when a rollback is triggered. Now, Kubernetes will enforce the diff in the manifest caused by the hash and restart the pod when it needs, ensuring that the rolled back configuration is applied. To see how this works, I have a pipeline here and two executions that have worked in sync. The first pipeline deploys just a simple Nginx pod with a config map and target port 222. We verify the target port is 222 and we ensure the pipeline succeeds. This step is just a step that allows us to forcibly fail a pipeline or not. As you can see, we're just using a regular rollout deployment step, verify, and it should fail. And on the rollback side, we're using rollback, rollout deployment, and port after rollback, just to check that to see if the port has changed successfully. So now let's say we changed our service, and I did here. We changed our service so that instead of port 2222, we have port 3333. We verified that it deployed successfully and that the port had changed to 3333. And we forced the pipeline to fail. Now, normally, this would mean that the port would remain 3333. But in this case, the port successfully rolled back to the old port version because the hash was added to the manifest and the old manifest was applied. That is the demo for declarative rollback, and I hope you all enjoyed. If this feature is not working for you, there may be a feature flag involved. Ensure that you have enabled a feature flag. To find it, please look at the description below for the feature flag name and how to enable it. Thanks for watching.